guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to create a keyboard shortcut key to open your any particular drive on your Windows PC. If you're using Windows 10 or if you're using Windows 11, you can watch this video. So for this guys, I'm not going to use any extra third-party app software. So I am going to show you one easy and simple hack. So first you need to open the file explorer on your PC, okay, and select the drive which you want to open with the keyboard shortcut key. So for example, I want to open the local disk D drive with keyboard shortcut key. So just right click on that particular drive, and from here you need to select show more options like this, and then here you can get the option create shortcut. So just select this, so it will create the drive shortcut on your desktop. So just click on S like this. Now your drive shortcut created on the desktop, as you can see guys. Now I will configure the shortcut key to open this drive. To do this guys, right click on that drive and go to properties like this, and then from here in the shortcut key tab you need to enter your shortcut key. So I am entering Control Alt and D. I am using this shortcut key, okay, and then click on apply and okay. So when you press that shortcut key from your keyboard, so it will directly open that particular drive, as you can see guys in my screen, okay. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.